Hi, I thought I might do a couple of easy how-to videos of drawing a few little quick animals or flowers or anything just to pass the time in our little 14-day isolation. You don't need much materials for this one. You can use pencils and a bit of sticky tape or anything around like a jar. Doesn't really matter. And obviously coloured pencils if you got them. For this exercise though, just so it brings out on the videotape, or video, I should say, tape, I'm showing my age there. I'm just going to be using a marker. Now there's going to be a few different techniques that I'm going to be using in my marker compared to what the drawing is. So let's just start off with the first thing. We put the marker, the tape here, and I find the end that I want to draw with. All you need to do is draw right around the whole thing in a pencil, and then you just use a rubber to rub out parts. But I'm going to miss a part because I'm using the Nico, and all I'm doing is just going to draw a circle right around like so. That's it. So just one circle. Obviously I've got to up it here because I want to do the head of this elephant that I'm drawing. And I'm just going to use the inside of this tape here. So for you, you can draw right around and let pencil go out later on. But for me, I'm actually going to be doing parts of it at the same time. So again, a nice round circle in the side. But for me, I'm going to do a couple of spaces. You'll see why later. That's it. So if you do a round circle there and a round circle there, rub out the middle part here. Then you'll have sort of what I got. What we got to do now is the ears. Big fluffy ears like Dumbo. Like so. Another big fluffy ear like so. There we go. Now the next part is what we got to do is the tusks. Okay. So because I've left the little spaces here, I think I've made a little bit. I'm going to do some tusks like that. Like that, and then obviously a trunk. So you get my trunk going out like this. Okay, now we do the feet, and all it is just a teardrop sort of thing facing outwards, and then a bit of flat down the thing, and then another one doing the same thing. But you can obviously go over the lines, but I've got a Nico, so I can't do it. I would have made these big and lumpy. Then a couple of toes for the little guy. I've got to have some toes for him. And then the last and not least, he's got a C. So then we just do some eyes. And you should have a drawing like that. So I'm just going to fix up a few little marks that I've left open, due to the fact that I was using a Nico, and I'm just going to do a little thing like that. Now it's totally up to you what you want to do now. If you use pencils, you can rub out the lines that you've made across through the area, or you can start colouring in with lovely colours what you want to do, any type of colours. You can see when you draw this, I've done a picture like this. A bit of colourful rainbow there for an elephant, but for now we can just go and do some light colouring in of something with your pencils or markers that I'm going to be using. So let's go ahead and fast colour. There you have it. So how did you go with your drawing? Love to see them in the comments on my Facebook page or Instagram pages. Links in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.